In this video, I am going to show you how to troubleshoot issues with unexpected charges during your YouTube TV free trial. If you notice an unexpected charge, start by checking the email associated with your account for confirmation of the transaction or subscription details. Sometimes the charge may be related to add-ons or a miscommunication about when the trial ends. Next, log into your YouTube TV account and go to the Settings menu. Then select Membership to review your billing information, verify the trial end date, and ensure your subscription wasn't converted to a paid plan earlier than expected. If the issue persists, check if you were charged for additional services like premium add-ons or cloud DVR storage upgrades. To resolve the issue, contact YouTube TV customer support through their help center or live chat. Provide them with details like your account information, transaction ID, and screenshots of the charge for faster assistance. If the charge is invalid, request a refund and confirm that your account has been canceled to avoid future billing. If this video helped you troubleshoot issues with YouTube TV free trial charges, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.